Alright, so in this video I'm gonna unbox and show you this T-bulb from Philips, and this is the box packing of it, and you can see that it's a 14 watt bulb, 1400 lumens, and cool daylight, 6500K, best gap B22. It can be plugged into any normal bulb holder, so that's it. And this is the normal LED bulb light focus, and this is the T-bulb light focus, which is much wider. And that's it. At the back side you can see some more details. So plug and play, swivel body action, and also you get a 30 rupees cashback on mobile recharge at Paytm. So, and let me tell you, this cost me 280 bucks. So let's open it up. And I bought this from a local dealer, so it's easy to buy from a local dealer, because for any problem you can contact the dealer by yourself at your place. Well, this is the date of purchase and the signature of the dealer on the body of this product. So if you get any trouble with this product, you just hand it over to the dealer and he will just check that. If it's faulty, he will keep this product and he will give you a new product on that time only. So that's the nice thing I like about buying things from local dealer. So this is it. This is a normal holder point, and it can be swing to the side like this, and also to the other side just like this if you need that. And then it can be swing like this also. Okay. Yeah, just like this. You can see that it's rotating. Yeah, like this, and then again like this. So that's the nice thing about it. So you can use it anywhere, and you can change the direction to downwards or the upwards, or you can change this way, that way, like that. So this is the nice thing. And here at the body you can see the QR code and some details over here: 220 to 240 volt AC, 50 Hz, and that's it. So a Philips logo on this side. So now it's time to check this thing. So it's a normal holder, bulb holder. Now it's pretty bright, you know. You can use it in your kitchen or in a balcony, or even it can light up a 120 square feet of room nicely. So that's it, guys. It was the unboxing and review video of this Philips T-bulb. Well, there's nothing much to review this thing, and also it comes with a, you can see, 1 year of warranty. So that I told you about before. That's pretty much all of it. So that's all for now. See you in the next video. So bye bye.